Want to work with corporate companies? Dream to explore the corporate world along with the directors and management of top companies? Then consider acquiring the qualification Company Secretary. Hello everyone. The highly regarded Company Secretaryship program is provided by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, also known as ICSI. ICSI is a premier national professional body constituted under an Act of Parliament, the Company Secretaries Act 1980, to regulate and develop the profession of company secretaries. However, the scope and relevance of the qualification are not confined to the country. One can register for the CS program through the official website of ICSI. Those who have qualified the CS program can become members of the ICSI body. By cracking the qualification, you can work in the corporate world or practice on your own. One may require 3.5 years to complete the program. Coming to the main part, CS program has 3 levels: the Company Secretary Executive Entrance Test, CSEET, the Executive Program, and the Professional Program. The first level, CSEET, is what we are going to discuss in this video. CSEET is the entrance test every CS student must appear first to become a company secretary. 12th standard exam appearing or passed students or equivalent thereto can enroll in the program. But graduates with a minimum of 50% mark and postgraduates can enter directly to the second level, the executive level, with no need to clear the entrance test. Exciting, right? However, choosing to begin your CS journey with the basics, that is from CSEET, is preferred. Talking about the exam, CSEET exams are conducted 4 times a year in January, May, July, and November. The major attraction of the exam is that you don't need to go to any exam centers. These exams are completely remote and you can attend the exams from any part of the world. Business communication, economic and business environment, legal aptitude and logical reasoning, and current affairs and quantitative aptitude are the 4 subjects you have at this level. And what about the marks to be scored? One must score 40% for each subject and an aggregate of 50% for all the papers to get qualified at this level. Here comes the best part of the CSEET exam. There are no negative marks, and so you can attempt every single question. You have 2 hours to complete this online exam. The exam is completely MCQ based and you have 200 questions with 1 mark for each. So you must thoroughly practice with mock exams and MCQs. If you qualify the exams, you are eligible for the next level, which is the executive program. We'll be having a deeper look into the executive and professional levels in the coming videos. Now, what awaits you after qualifying the CS program? The career opportunities are vast, including roles such as key managerial personnel, advisor to the board of directors, compliance officer, corporate planner, and many others. You can either work with top companies or practice after completing the program. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll in the Company Secretary program. Now, are you confused about choosing the right institute to begin your CS journey? Join the Indian Institute of Commerce Lakshya to get a world-class education from the best faculties across the world. We offer online and offline modes of learning for the CS program. Our consistent results and ranks are a testament to our educational services. We offer commerce professional programs like Company Secretary, Chartered Accountancy, CMA India, and international programs like ACCA and CMA USA as well. Join us today and unlock the multitude of advantages waiting for you. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.